Hello one and all. Today the presentation topic is blockchain technology. Let's see the contents. These are today contents: introduction, how it works, conclusion, and reference. Let's see the introduction. The blockchain is a backbone technology of the cryptocurrency, which is the commonly the example of cryptocurrency is the Bitcoin. The blockchain is a distributed database. As we know that all the currently databases are centralized, which is controlled by certain a single PC CPU. But the blockchain is a such a database which is distributed, which is not a central authority. It is like a P2P network. The each transaction is verified by the majority of participants in the system. The Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, which is the example of blockchain. In blockchain, the block is a piece of information which is parts in three. That is the address of prevent block and its own data and the address of its block. The first came to light when a person or a group of individuals named Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper on Bitcoin, which is in the year 2008. These are some companies which are using blockchain currently. Here we can see the IBM, Microsoft, Oracle, Toyota, Intel, and other companies. So let's see how the blockchain is working. If you see the top right corner GIF, where the blocks are adding after creating, let's see the how blockchain is work by taking an example. If you see the bottom left side corner image where A send money to a B, it the person A creates a block of transaction in which the data which is related to the transaction is there. Then that transaction block is sent to other participants which are connected in their network. When majority of peoples are approved the transaction, then that block is added to the blockchain, and then the money is transferred to the B. If you see the bottom right corner GIF, where the when a person having a new block which with a new transaction, then only the other persons can approve that block. If so, the blockchain is the if we see the top right corner image, the blocks are adding when the new transaction is happened. Like that, the blockchain is increased. So before conclusion, I want to say some broad in blockchain. Today, blockchain is it is an increasing technology in, if we can say we can take an example in the governance, medical, or the crypto, means the cyber security. The blockchain is a technology in which the hackers, what we can say, they can means our data is so secure that it can't crack by any other person. If you see my previous slides, then in that all persons are connected in a network which is called as P2P network. That network, when a person can change or update a particular block, that block is seen by other participants. So if any unconditional activities happen there in that block, then other can also see that activity, and action is taken on that. that today there are so many other companies who are such as IBM, Intel. These companies are using blockchain for securing that data in such a way that no other outsiders can crack that data. To learn the blockchain, as we know that blockchain is very vast technology. In it, to learn the blockchain, we have some languages, and that languages that in that language there are, it is same like the Python, means coding is like same, which is user friendly. So by that language we can create a we can learn how to create a block and the network, so we can connect our surrounding persons and create a network where we can store our data. The blockchain examples, if we take in real time, then we can store any data such as the voting, our personal details like our Aadhaar card, bank account details, and etc. So the and the solidity is the one of the language which is used to learn the blockchain and how it works. So let's come to the conclusion. As we know that blockchain is growing technology, the blockchain is updating day by day in a security, finance, and governments. So it is mainly focusing on the cryptocurrency. Because of Bitcoin, the blockchain is introduced. So thank you one and all.